My research is paying off because I'm learning a lot about this clan. Who knew they'd be out in a thunderstorm?
Interesting. But this way, guys, help me. Left or right? Which way do I go?
Alright, I put it in slow motion and I'm going to point out all of the rock tosses, so if you can't see any of them, you will now. I was able to find some of the areas where they walk a lot. If you know they're there, it's kind of easy to find out where they are, where they gather. I've just been moseying through the forest slowly, taking my time. I don't always have the camera on. I like to sit in different spots now and just be quiet. And then when I hear them coming in, I usually announce that I'm sitting there. I don't want to startle them or have them startle me. I like to tell them what I'm doing. I'm not sure if they understand me or not. They do a lot of mimicking. I was really angry when I first got lost. I was furious because I thought I knew where I was. You know, at first I looked at a few landmarks. Oh, I'll remember this. It's not hard. And then boom, I get completely lost. Anyway, I was cursing like a sailor. Awful potty mouth. I'm not going to share that with anybody. But they were mimicking me swearing. I heard one of them say F this and one of them said F you. So I wonder if they're going to start saying that often, because they said, hey everybody. I'm hearing all kinds of weird stuff.